Storage is an incredibly interesting world at the moment because the rising amount of data that customers are forced to store for many reasons, but also the importance of that data. Data is becoming the most important resource that customers are looking at utilizing because of the information and ability to change their business and beat their competition by understanding what's going on with their business. So storage has become such an important element of this, but it's also become one of the most expensive elements to manage. So customers face that dilemma: I need to store more, I need to do more with that data, but I need to make it cost less. So IBM is really focused on helping customers reduce the cost of storing more data by utilizing technologies such as real-time compression, so that customers can store the same data and more data, deliver the same performance from that data for the applications and for analytics, but in half as much footprint. So ultimately really driving down the cost, the economics involved with storing more data. So we're very focused on that side of things and the efficiency, but also putting data in the right place. So data must sit in the appropriate place, so albeit for performance reasons, to run analytics against data and have a high performance storage platform. But over time, as that particular application becomes cool and is not needed as much, but the data is still important, we are looking to help customers move that data down to an appropriate tier, whether it's disk or even tape. So we're looking at all of the ways to use commodity, low-cost storage as well as the advanced high-performance storage, and giving the customer the ability to not have to control that, the storage control itself, and move that data around to the appropriate place. We see cloud really changing the thought process for many of our customers. So should I be storing my own data, or should I be putting it into a cloud? I think ultimately for many years to come, most customers are going to have a hybrid model. And it's really, at IBM, it's about what we can do to blend those two models together, to make that as seamless as possible, so that data is in the right place, it can deliver from a application point of view when it needs to, it's secure, but as data is there's less of a reliance on that data being on a high performance environment, it could be moved to the cloud, or a complete blend of those two types of environments. So we're really focused at IBM at gelling those two solutions together and delivering a hybrid approach for customers, considering the different consumption models. So IBM Storage is closer than it's ever been to our software group in terms of the joint propositions that we're taking forward to customers. And what I mean by that is data needs to be in the right place at the right time. Customers need to drive the efficiency and commoditization where they can, and ultimately lower cost of storage. We can move data from primary storage, from spinning disk and flash medium, off to tape. And TSM is a critical component. Tivoli Storage Manager is a critical component in that whole process of moving data down onto tape for longer term retention. So we're very much joined up from IBM Storage and IBM Tivoli propositions to deliver that kind of environment to customers.